my resolution was that, oh, I want to make so many mistakes this year and I want to learn from them. And which I did. Like,
She
Yeah.
did.
Jan 2nd might just be like
the
most
one of the
depressing
worst
day
days.
of the year.
Yeah. Sex and the City and Sanjana.
Sex City.
Sanjana.
Sanjana's thoughts. As much as everyone has said this, it's so important to remind yourself to like trust your gut in like so many situations.
उंगली उसी पे जानी है वापस.
Yes.
नया
Ungli
show?
lo.
Oh, मैं तो कुछ और बोलने वाली थी. But
I'm actually lactose intolerant. And there's this one thing that I do.
Change that.
मुझे यही
Factory
बनना ही नहीं
reset.
है.
Body reset.
I saw like 2-3 football games of my friends.
3 football. So when they kick 3 times, that's not 3 football game.
I used to wait for it. I was like,
रात कब आएगी?
ma medicine,
Enigma.
ma.
Ma hai. Gee, thanks. Just bought it.
नहीं यार वही मतलब बस यार वो तो था और क्या बोलूं
1 minute, ma'am.
सोचना पड़ेगा. Do not kill the part of you that cringes.
Kill the part
wait.
of you. Kill the part of you.
अरे do not kill the part
अरे
of
फोटो
you
तो
that-
थोड़ी कर रहे हैं.
Kill yourself.
We are like the best people on the internet.
Definitely.
Like, I don't think.
Basic swasth and must.
Hi guys, I am Zia.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Srishti.
I'm Dhritika.
And we are Besharam. Besharam's back. I mean, last time we saw you was last year. So,
Yeah.
you all have really,
Really long
grown.
time.
This is the first episode of the new year.
Yes, that's what it
Yes.
implies, yes. So we made it. If
Yes.
you're watching
Oh,
this, we
wait.
made it.
We're alive.
Oh
What?
my god.
I
Our
love.
color palettes are like kind of same.
Yeah.
Cute.
Love.
Love. Nice.
The cool people don't care. Like,
Yeah, they don't.
happy first week of Jan to you. So, I mean, I guess we all know by now what happens in the first week of Jan. And
Yeah.
what happens, what doesn't happen. I mean, we've all made resolutions, kept them. Some resolutions have like changed people's lives.
Yeah.
I have never, ever been able to like follow up on one. So we make fun of Sanjana's resolutions because a few years ago, or like 2 years ago,
Last
last
year.
year.
Not
23.
last year.
23.
no, 22 baby, when you were
23.
19. 23, that
Oh,
means
yeah.
you're 24.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
the age 19. Sanjana.
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
2022.
So during the year of 2023.
Yeah, I had made this stupid, not stupid in
Yeah.
retrospect.
No. It was
See,
very
at the
stupid,
time,
please.
no, at the time, it was very like, ooh, yes. But now in retrospect, I'm like, oh, shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
You know,
You're
so my
not cool.
resolution was that, oh, I want to make so many mistakes this year and I want to learn from them. And which I did. Like,
She
Yeah.
did.
I made my
Yeah.
fair share of
She
mistakes.
did.
And I'm happy that a part of me is definitely happy that those mistakes happened
Mhm.
intentionally or unintentionally. But it's also so fucking stupid to be like, I want to make mistakes. Like,
Yeah.
shut
It
the
was
fuck
very
up. Like,
stupid
if
of
it's
you.
happening, it's happening.
Let
Don't
it happen.
force it.
Yeah, fair.
But she
You know,
forced it.
I remember.
Yeah.
You know, you manifested that shit.
No, not. I don't think I
Yes.
manifested it. I feel
Dude,
like
even if you say something once and if you say it with full fucking conviction, it does get manifested.
It manifests.
yeah, be aware of what you ask for. You might
Exactly.
actually
Be
get
careful
it.
what you wish for.
Yeah, but I feel Jan is such a not confusing month, but it's a very dicey month because
Yeah.
you're so hopeful for a lot of things with your resolutions and
Mm.
stuff. But it's also like the fucking start, and now you can either take it in an optimistic or a pessimistic way, where you're like, oh god, it's like the start. There's an entire year to go because the first half,
Yeah.
like we've discussed in many episodes, it's
Suck.
so boring, it's so dry.
Yeah.
So you're waiting for the good part to come, but you're also like, ooh, I'm hopeful for the new year.
That's why
Yeah.
also like I feel like resolutions are not going to be very fruitful unless you like strategize yourself. Like if you don't take it from Jan to March and then look forward from there, like you have to check yourself at like a couple of checkpoints, you know?
Yeah.
Like you need to have like a recollection. Okay, this is how far we've gone, and that this is how we're gonna like navigate
Approach it.
ahead.
Yeah.
So like unless you like have like a concrete plan, just like I'm gonna do it, and then
Yeah.
like doing anything and everything, that's not really gonna get you the best
Yeah.
results.
Definitely.
And so many resolutions are like made in your mind in like December when it's the peak fun moment where you're like, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do this.
Yeah.
And when January hits, like all of
Yeah.
that fun is done. So now you're left with this like
realistic thought.
like you've just been hit with reality so hard
Yeah.
where you're like, oh, now I actually have to implement it.
Yeah.
So it becomes very like boring and
And like, half the time you
Oh.
don't even want it because see during December, right? Like you're surrounded by a lot of family, a lot of friends, like the people that you love. Like usually this happens because
yeah.
it's like the holidays,
Holiday
it's New
season, yeah.
Year's, like you're living it up. You're like, these are the last months. Well, I'm gonna go wild.
Yeah.
And then, like, come Jan 2nd, everyone has to get back to work. Jan
Yeah.
2nd might just be like
the
The
worst
most
one of the
depressing
worst
day
days.
of the year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
I see it.
it comes all like, oh, do I actually have to get up at 6 a.m. go to the gym?
Yeah.
Which, by the way, on Jan 2nd, I am terrified to do that.
You know, once I went to the gym on 1st of Jan.
Yeah.
It was not the morning time, it was the evening time though.
Why?
And still, gyms are like jam packed at evenings. So I
Yeah.
was like, okay, it's Jan 1st, it's an evening. But I was like, no, I have to go because I made this resolution. So I was like, I was expecting it to be like full pack. There was no one. Absolutely
But
no
Jan
one.
1st, yeah,
What
Jan
are you
1st is when
saying?
people are
Yeah.
hungover, right? Like Jan 2nd is when it starts.
Yeah.
But like, I am not a very resolution keeper. I've never been been a person who likes to plan things out, be it like a day, be it like a month, be it like a year, whatever. I just like to go with the flow unless
Real.
something really needs to be planned out, so
Mm.
I can give time to each and everything.
Mhm.
That's different. But other
Yeah.
than that, I've never been a person to be like, oh my god, I'm gonna travel more this year. Oh my god, I'm gonna I'm gonna have this one day or like a day in every month that I'm gonna give to myself and myself only. I've never been that person.
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
And I feel like it's really not that important to have a resolution for you to achieve what you have
Real.
planned for in the years to come. I mean, if you how do I put it? If you're really ambitious about achieving something like a very specific goal and say in the month of March I want to get myself a new phone, a laptop, you don't really have to put it as a resolution.
Yeah.
It'll just happen.
Let
you
it
just make it happen.
Yeah, exactly.
Let it happen.
Because yeah, exactly. Because I feel sometimes some people like I know you, that works really well for you when you have a goal in mind and then you can work towards it.
Yeah.
But then if for me, I feel like I've been put in a cage, and then even if I think outside the box, I feel like I'm gonna how do I say it?
not do justice to what you
Yeah,
already have
exactly.
planned.
I'm not going to do justice to what I thought I
Yeah.
would be doing.
Oh, fair. So,
So
like, contrary to how you are not a big planner. I, of course, like you
Yeah,
know,
we know.
I love planning things, but on the opposite side, I don't like to have like a set list of things that I want to do. I like to have an overview of how I want my year
Yeah.
to be, because
huh.
even though I am a planner, I cannot have like in some situations I can have everything planned to the T, but when it comes to like a New Year's resolution, I can't.
You want to keep it vague.
I want to keep
Yeah.
it like
open-ended.
not open-ended in a way, but I want to have just the basic structure of it.
Mhm.
Be like, okay, these are few milestones I want to achieve in the
Fair.
year. उसके अंदर का जो भी होता है,
Let's see
free
how it
ball
goes.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But speaking of like manifestations, there's this like new trend on Instagram where last year, like that's New Year's 2024, so 2023 December is when like people made these vision boards, and then like they're showing like that it came true. Now, I mean, some might say that's fabricated because it very much is. There is people that are using their clips at like travel, and then they're just
Yeah.
matching it to their Pinterest like
Yeah,
boards. That's
Yeah,
what
yeah.
they're doing right now. But I think vision boards, the culture behind it is just like resolutions repackaged for
Yeah.
you. Like this is resolutions to fit the real 15-second
Real
video.
aesthetic.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. So dude, I
Bro,
saw this.
but you know what? I did manifest my vision board.
Yeah.
Do you guys remember the vision board I had?
The yellow
before leaving?
wallpaper?
Yellow.
Yeah.
A few of those things I can show it to you all. Some of them are really private. So that's why.
Really private.
Yeah. But you guys.
I remember
see.
seeing that. I remember you
Yeah.
showing it to us, and I'm
Yeah.
glad it did work out.
When I spoke about reels and just saw a tweet that
Mhm.
said like TikTok is like vape and reels is like cigarettes.
No, but I feel like vision boards are especially like a thing to do on New Year's Eve or something, or with your girlfriends. Is such a cute date
Date
idea
Yeah,
for your
yeah.
girlfriends.
Yeah.
Because what more do you need? Like coming together, pinning down your ideas like on an actual physical board, discussing it, you're fucking manifesting it.
Yeah, exactly.
And you're having fun with it.
Exactly.
Like, I don't see anything wrong in that, even though it's like the whole like, oh
yeah, unless you fabricate shit to make it.
yeah, of course that is wrong.
Match
In any scenario, fabricating it
Yeah.
to make it look like it actually happened
That's, like,
is wrong.
unfair.
But even as a date activity, it's,
It's a
so cute.
great
It's so
Yeah.
fun.
idea.
It's not I wouldn't say it's wrong. See, I bet like somebody who had like a beach vacation in Greece probably thought of that, probably was wishing it for a while. And then they
Mhm.
did it, and then they just like for the reel matched a clip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fair, it's
And-
fine. It's just my point is that it's just resolutions. Like this is resolutions for Gen Alpha. That's how they get introduced to
Do
this.
you
Yeah.
guys remember? So there's this thing about Beshram. We have been spending New Year's together
Yeah.
for quite a few
Hmm.
years now. So last year,
We do not make other plans.
yeah,
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 we
it's
really
just
don't.
the four of us.
just the four
Yeah.
of us. We don't. We go.
There was one year where there were extra people.
Yeah,
You
But
should
that-
shut
shut
up.
but that was
What?
a
You
good-
shut up.
You shut up. You know
You-
what I mean.
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
you fully
shut
know
up.
what
huh?
we are
Yeah,
talking
you
about.
Yeah.
fully fucking know.
Don't be coy about it, man.
Huh.
But that year we did do a lot of crazy stuff. So I really like
Mistakes.
Mistakes.
We made so many
Mistakes were made.
mistakes.
But last year, do you guys remember we had the grapes?
I was going to come
Yes.
to
I
that.
legit
I
forgot
was
about.
gonna come to that.
We had
I
the
forgot about what I
grapes.
said in those grapes.
I
Dude, that's
remember
exactly.
very vividly. Very
Wow.
vividly. All of them.
You know what?
All of them.
I think this time when we have a sleepover, we should do it again, but we should make a note of all of our 12.
I
Oh,
know.
right.
I would
And we
love
should
to keep-
actually do the check thingy.
Yes,
Yeah.
I would
And
love to
see
do
if it
that.
works.
I
or
was
no.
doing it for each month. I was like,
Yeah, I
January,
remember you telling me that I'm going to have one, but that was the
one
entire
for
point.
each month.
Having
Yeah.
12
The thing
grapes for the
is-
12 months of the year.
Yeah.
You do not get green grapes in December, and that's the only kind of grapes I like.
No, I like the red ones also that we had.
The red ones are the best.
They slap.
But they had seeds in them.
Grapes.
Yeah, they're great.
But yeah. So, do y'all have any like structure or a thing that y'all have had that you'll have in mind for like the year?
Like, are you asking me my resolutions? By
If
the
you
way,
wanna
this is
put it
very
that
hard
way.
for me to say. I keep saying revolution,
Yeah.
and then
Like
like,
that
No,
obsessed
you've been
with
saying
makeup, no?
resolutions. I've been hearing it.
oh yeah.
Mhm.
When I think of revolution, I think of like that Chetan Bhagat book.
What?
So it's like etched in my brain. My sister used to read it. Now she reads Colleen Hoover.
Oh my God. My sympathies.
Fellow victim.
Colleen Hoover की spelling पता चल.
KO. Okay, but do you guys have
I
a
have a
structure,
few.
or if you want to call it
Do you want to-
resolutions?
Wait, structure? Are you saying structure? Like, what are we planning on achieving
will
in
a year look
2025?
Yeah, I mean, it could be anything. It could be milestones or like a
Yeah.
structure or
Ooh.
resolutions,
Mhm.
but basically a vision that you'll have for yourselves for the year.
I have planned a few things that I want to practice because I don't do them like right now. So, a few of my resolutions are one is to actually take out some time for my friends and family because I genuinely feel like I don't do that enough. If I am at some place, I just get too involved in whatever I'm doing.
Yes.
Where is
You
this
know-
wisdom coming from?
Bapre, Singapore changed her, bro.
You
We
know, I'm sorry
changed
to
a
like
lot.
diagnose you right now, but this is I don't know if I don't know how accurate this is, and back me up and like correct me if I'm wrong, but this is like a sign of ADHD that once you're at a new
Yeah.
place in a new environment, you get so engrossed with that current setting that you forget the people and the like settings.
Yeah.
Not forget, but
Not
you
forget.
just tend to give less time and attention.
less
to
mindful
them.
about that.
Yes.
It's
No,
possible.
the thing is that it's not even like the people back home. It's about if I am at one place in my campus also, then I'll like not care about what's happening on the other side of campus.
That's just being
also.
forgetful, I think.
Yeah.
No, but she is
forgetful,
like we've
I
been
just
telling her
get-
this for years.
I just get
Hmm.
too involved in whatever I'm doing. Like I'm completely into it, and then I don't think about other things.
You
so
know,
I'm going to make a
there's
note of
one
giving
thing-
more time for my friends and family.
There's about resolutions, there's one thing. One thing is actually doing it. But then what's even more important is actually acknowledging the fact that you want to do it, because
Yeah.
that's step number one.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Unless you don't acknowledge that I want to do this, there's no progress.
Yeah.
I agree. So for me, I have two in mind. So the first one is definitely I'm not even kidding you. I see myself driving by May. I'm going to be on the road
Love.
and no one's gonna get hit.
Let's go.
Do I have a license? Yes. Do I know how to drive?
You've learned.
Maybe.
How to?
Debatable. But that doesn't mean I gave the test and then I stopped driving. So I'm like completely out of practice. I don't have the motor skills anymore. So that's my problem. And then like I'm a bit like horrible at judgment in general. So I see myself driving a car by May.
Yes.
And the second one, which is, dude, trust me, this was, I remember this so vividly, right? This was October 23, 2020. I was at like one of my lowest, right? I was not having it. It was obviously 2020 and, a bunch of things in my life, and things were just not going well. And the only thing I could think of is like removing these feelings in a way where I do not snap at the people I love. So I wrote them all down. I wrote everything. I wrote a letter to myself 5 years from now. So October 23, 2025 is when I open it.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Yeah, so I have 1 year to go. Almost a year to go.
Oh my God.
But the thing is that I think about it so much that I kind of like still remember a couple of things.
Yeah.
But it's very personal. So it's like
Yeah.
I wouldn't even open it in front of you guys.
Yeah, no,
That's
that's
okay.
okay.
I wouldn't even expect that.
Yeah,
No,
that's
for
fine.
sure. But like that like since that day only, like I
Mhm.
have been wanting to journal because I think it's just such, because after I did that, I was like, I would say at least 60% better.
Oh my
60% is great.
Huge.
That is actually.
So I
good.
realized that writing things down always helps. I think I
Yeah.
did that even when like I in school where I left a certain friendship or whatever. I did it that time also, and it felt good that time.
Yeah.
But my problem with journaling is like I feel like if I sit down and I write something like with a pen and a paper, then like my mom will ask me what I'm writing down, and then she'll want to
That
read it.
happens to me
Yeah.
too.
And then she'll want to read it later, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna figure out a way to journal, and I'm going to like
Bathroom.
properly journal. Bathroom, yeah.
But
Potty.
it's the best.
Potty time.
भाई पॉट पे बैठकर ऐसा ख्याल आता है, ऐसा इमोशन
True,
बाहर
true,
निकलता है ना कि कहीं भी नहीं निकलता.
Yeah, no,
But
I see
yeah.
that.
I like the idea of journaling. I think I might take up a resolution this year to see if I can stick to it. And I think journaling.
Journaling.
might
But it's
be
not
it.
like journal every night. Journal when you feel like you need to get
Yeah.
something
something
out
off
of
of
your
your
if
chest.
it, whatever it is, even if it's a happy thing. Like I don't want my journal to be a sad fest.
That's
Yeah.
so
You know?
true.
I don't want it to read. I don't want to read it back when I'm like 35 and be like, "Wow, I was a miserable 21-year-old." No, I
Yeah,
don't want
yeah.
that.
So
You want a
I-
bit of both.
Yes, I
definitely.
remember I started journaling and unfortunately I stopped because I think I journaled for I think a year or two,
Wow.
like consistently. I
Like
started
every day.
not every day, but like every 2 to 3 days. I started journaling I think back in 2020 or 21, and I I used to do it on my laptop because because I didn't want my mom to. She
It
wouldn't.
doesn't hit when you're typing. It won't hit.
It hits in a different way because I think I was watching Sex in the City back then, and I was so obsessed with
Sex and the City.
Carrie Bradshaw, and she was like she's the writer on the show, and she's like cling cling cling.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh my god, I want to embody that a little. So I'll not be a writer. I'll just pin down my emotions.
Oh,
And
that's
another
cute.
But
reason
I don't know why, but you kind of look the kind like Carrie Bradshaw in Sex and the City, like
Yeah,
Yes, bitch, I
like
got
a
this.
glass of wine. Oh my god, where am I heading with this? Anyway, so my mom, like your mom as well, she would ask me, but then if I would tell her like, hey, I don't want to share this, she would respect my boundary and be like, okay, fine.
yeah.
And it's not like she would
Where do you
snoop
get
in.
one of those? Let me know. Send me the link.
And
Link in bio.
so back then, like, and I have like dated it, this date time as well.
Oh,
So I have a record of those 2 years of what
Wow.
emotions I felt at what time, and they were
Yeah.
they were a mix of both, like happy and sad memories. So it's sad that I only have those 2 years to look back to.
But it's great you
It's
have
great
those
that
two
I
years.
have. And I also want to start journaling again because
Right. Dude, let's all four do it.
Yes.
together.
I really
One
feel,
journal.
No,
One brain, one
one
journal.
brain, one journal.
yeah.
but yeah, that is definitely one of my resolutions,
Hmm.
but a huge resolution of mine that I am
Huge, big.
manifesting.
This is the first time we're hearing of it.
Yeah. No, you've heard of it.
Oh, I've heard. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Is that I want to buy my own iPhone this year.
Oh.
Let's go.
And,
Yes.
And I know I'm going to buy it.
This is going to happen.
This
This
is
is going to
happen for
happen.
sure.
So,
I
made up.
assumed that people knew this.
Thank you. But I made up my mind that, once I start earning, I'm going to start saving up money. And I didn't want to use my parents' money because I was like, you know what, I'm going to start earning by the time, like after college.
Fair.
And I'll be in a position to get it myself. So I made it a point that I'll not take money from my parents and I'm going to save up.
I love
Even if
that.
it's like 5K a month,
yeah.
even if it takes me a year to get it, I am going to get my own phone
Fine.
out of my
I'm
own
so
money.
excited for you.
So
I
that
think
is just
5K a
something.
month, 12 months might fall a little short. But
No,
you know,
5K was just an example. But I'll definitely
respect
try.
the hustle.
Yeah, so that is one of my big resolutions that
Yeah.
I believe will come true this year.
For sure.
It
For
will.
sure.
For sure.
Then one more resolution I have is that actually watch some new kind of series rather than just rewatch
Oh
it.
my God.
The 2 or 3
Yes.
episodes.
I don't know what brain these people share. Not
Yeah,
mine.
I know. You're the
I
one, yeah,
I
yeah.
can't rewatch a show. Like
I-
besides a
what are you
sitcom,
saying?
actually
No,
besides
same.
specifically Modern Family, I can't rewatch any other show.
I
For
am-
me, it's Modern Family Suits, Modern Family Suits, Friends, Modern Family
You
Suits,
watch
Friends.
Suits?
I can't read. भाई मैंने last episode मर मर के
Yeah.
देखा है मेरे से सूट्स
कौन
वापस
सा?
नहीं देखा जाएगा
Suits.
सूट्स का
भाई,
नहीं,
Ninth
अच्छा नहीं
episode.
लगा?
Mhm.
Oh,
पागल
it's
है
really
क्या?
good. I've started.
The
I've
last
tried
episode,
to.
the last season of Suits.
That I don't know.
ठीक
I
है, I mean the
Suits
last
is a good show, but not the last season.
I
It
have
was
tried
fine.
to watch that show. I have watched the first episode 6 times.
Which one?
Suits. Because I always am like, Abhi, I'll start and I'll
हाँ, हाँ.
Abhi
watch
अच्छा
it
होगा.
in a stretch.
That's been Schitt's Creek for me. I cannot get myself to watch it for some reason. I'm not
Schitt's Creek is
joking.
too
You
good.
know
For
what?
me,
I
I'm a basic
know.
bitch. I love watching The Office and I know I'm going to be like, oh. But ठीक है यार,
Office,
I'm a
Modern
little
Family.
old like that.
But
Modern
these
Family,
people,
Friends.
these people don't know. Okay, so people with taste, if you're watching this, right?
Yeah, for
Yeah,
people
yeah,
like this
yeah.
only I was saying.
हाँ, हाँ. एक
People
इंसान
with
है
taste
ऐसा बस-
watching
very
this,
fancy, very
I
fancy.
have begged these three. Begged मतलब पैर पड़े मैंने. Watch
Ghanta.
Succession. It will change your
I
life.
started watching.
Even
It will
I
fu-
started.
But you couldn't fucking continue, na?
Then I
That's
started
the
watching The
thing.
Office. Then I finished that.
For the 7th time.
For real,
Hold
I've
on.
lost count.
Hold on.
Same.
There is my life pre-Succession, and then there is my life post-Succession. You do not understand the impact this show has had on me. Okay, it changes you chemically.
Personal resolution, I'll watch it.
Please,
Handshake kar that.
bro. It's literally on Geo Cinema.
I don't have
This is not an ad.
Yeah.
I'm holding Zepto ka cover. I'm like, it's really on. It's just on Jio
कितना
Cinema.
integration हो रहा है इधर. Succession, Zepto.
Can you believe we're
Jio
not getting
Cinema.
paid?
Multiverse of madness.
it's very good. Like it's real. Like
बोलो
it's
ना
such
करो,
so well
personal.
made.
ठीक है,
Personal
ठीक है.
resolution, I'll watch it.
Done.
और
Yeah.
इसी कैमरा पे डिस्कस करेंगे हम 2 में.
हाँ.
Yeah. No, but I feel like you're very right.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
feel like there are, no, because I have made a list, okay, of like movies and TV shows. Bro, in school I made it.
Yeah.
And
No, I made it
I
during
have
COVID.
I know I'm going to spend my entire life trying to finish that list
हाँ भाई.
because of at the rate that I'm rewatching shows and movies.
Yes.
There are so many like great things to watch and give my
Same.
time to, but I just choose not to. Voluntarily, I
Same.
choose
हाँ
not to.
भाई.
Same.
वो उंगली उसी पे जानी है वापस.
Yes.
नया
उंगली
show
लो.
और सक्सेशन देखो.
Oh, मैं तो कुछ और बोलने वाली थी. But
So I have 2 more great resolutions.
Mm-hmm.
One of them is actually reply to my birthday wishes.
That is so mean.
I
So
am the
mean.
worst person on the entire planet because what happens to me is I'm genuinely just a chill girl.
सब उल्टे हाथ का पड़ेगा ना.
Bro, I swear she has changed.
Has she
And how? But imagine,
I think
dude,
she's changed like 1%.
क्या मालूम भाई.
he
ये चिल गर्ल वाला ही नहीं करती है यहाँ
Yeah,
रहती तो
bro,
भाई.
chill girl तो हम उसको बोलने ही नहीं देते यार
हाँ
इंडिया
भाई.
में. उसको एक भी बार बोलती थी.
जबान खींच
ऐसा
लेते हैं.
जबान छोड़ भाई, ऐसी
No, I'm
बेइज्जती
telling you,
होती थी ना
it's
उसकी.
It's just been a couple of days that she's been back.
Yeah.
So like
वो डरती next time chill girl बोलने को.
yes,
ऐसे डरा के भेजेंगे.
खौफ भूल गई है.
Bro, imagine, ठीक है, you want to start replying to these messages.
Yeah.
ये 1-2 बंदे होंगे इसके, definitely, या बंदिया जो भी है, I don't judge. जो हर साल इसको मैसेज करता है, तो इसके 3-4 दिखेंगे और तू लास्ट
फिर एक thank you.
so sad.
That's what I'm saying. It's so
Happy
mean.
birthday, replying to all the
See.
years. Thank you.
Happy
The
birthday
thing is-
X4.
The thing is that I'm like, whenever I get these happy birthday messages, I'm like, it's too soon to reply. I'll reply in like 5-10 minutes. Then I forget about it. Then sometimes I see the stories that they've posted for me. I'm like, हाँ करती हूँ, story पे reply करूँगी.
Fuck, I
Dude,
can't.
Dude,
I
I'm a
can't do
instant
that.
reply, on, especially on my birthdays.
I was
always
feeling so
forget.
guilty this year that I reposted all of my stories.
I hate that.
I hate that.
But that's like, somebody has gone out of their way to put it on
No.
their
Say
story.
thank you and
can
move
thank
on.
them. Fucking write a personalized message.
Y'all
message for
thank.
them.
I like the story.
Oh my God, Srishti, you don't
Sushi, that
deserve
is
to be
not-
wished.
That is,
You
yeah.
don't deserve to have a birthday.
Yeah, so exactly. I know, like, this doesn't sound very nice of me. And
does
I
not.
want to be very grateful to all the people who wish me. So that's my New Year's resolution.
Yeah.
And one more is that I'm actually lactose intolerant.
Mhm.
And there's this one thing
She
that I
wants to
do.
change that.
मुझे यही साल
Factory
बनना ही नहीं है.
Body reset. No, wait, what? Body secret. Podcast.
But yeah.
So, I'm lactose intolerant, but I don't give 2 fucks about it. I'm always like, हाँ ठीक है, खाती हूँ, बाद में दवाई ले लूँगी, बाद में दवाई ले लूँगी. So I genuinely want to take care of my health and actually avoid milk products.
Wow. So you're not gonna have my hot chocolate. But anyway, yeah. So every New Year's, like, we have these like, traditions that we do.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
One
yeah.
of them has to be when I make my infamous hot chocolate
love it.
Love
with
With marshmallows.
marshmallows, and it's like nice and thick. And
It's too good.
too
I did it
good.
before it was cool.
Fucking
There's
good.
I have loved 2 hot chocolates in my entire life. The first one is from Theobroma.
Of
Oh
course.
no, not Theobroma. Sorry, Grandmama's
Grandmama's
Cafe.
Cafe.
Dad
Yeah.
Mama's Cafe.
Oh.
And the second one has to be Zia's that she makes because that's a really, really close second to.
I'm not a
Grandma.
no
hot.
Grandmama's
second.
I'm not a hot beverage
It's handmade, bitch.
Okay, fine. It's like very, very. It's
Handmade,
very
bro,
close to
they also make
Grandmama's.
One second.
Hard
So
thing
you're
is
saying
hard.
grandma was over mine?
I
Eat
choose
shit?
yours.
Don't give her this.
I
sign.
choose yours
Yeah.
because yours, it's less sweeter and I like it.
And
less.
it's nice and decadent.
Another resolution I feel of us, the 4 of us personally, should be just discouragement.
Oh my god, yes.
I feel like we encourage each other's jokes too much to a point where after it doesn't become funny.
Yeah.
That's
हंसना
how we
है,
are.
नहीं हगना है.
No, sometimes na, it genuinely we are
On
not funny.
camera, I agree. On camera, yes.
Yeah, otherwise we're very funny.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
we are
Very
dude,
funny.
fucking Abu secret.
No, it is. It
Slaps.
is. Like stuff like
We
this.
have
We
like
won't even
a-
explain.
We have like a
We
whole.
don't need to.
Yeah, and when we explain it, it's not funny
It's not
anymore.
funny.
True, but I feel like there
Yeah.
are certain situations where we just get carried away, and if Dritika's laughing at something, all of us start laughing, or if Diya's laughing at something, all of us start laughing, just to like hop onto the bandwagon and not feel left out.
Similar
Yeah.
brain.
Similar
Literally.
brain.
Literally, like,
You know. But yeah, like jumping off of that.
you know,
uh,
no point made. Jumping off of that.
no, but what I
My resolution for you is you.
finish a thought.
Finish a sentence.
Well,
Okay.
but I feel the last few Christmases, and I know this is me thinking way ahead
Yeah.
of time. It's not only me who has felt this, okay? Like, I feel like a lot of people have felt this where Christmas is just not Christmasing.
Like it used to
Yeah.
Christmas.
And bro, I hold Christmas so fucking close to my heart. And when it doesn't go according to not my plan, but it's just when the vibe of Christmas is not there, it's just so pissing off.
Yeah.
And I'm like, bro, एक साल में एक बार आता है, वो भी ढंग से नहीं हो रहा है. What I'm saying is, one of my resolutions
Yeah.
is to ensure that Christmas feels like Christmas. So something that didn't happen last year is decorating my house well in advance, because when you see your house being lit up and like, you know, lit and like all decorated, it genuinely, there's a shift in the vibe and like the environment.
Definitely.
And because I did it so late, I just didn't feel Christmassy. Everything just felt very hurried, and I was like, oh, I have to get this done because it's Christmas.
The same thing happened with Diwali. this
Diwali,
year.
bro.
Yeah, I'm telling you,
was
it
just-
happened with a lot of festivals.
Yeah,
last
because
year.
this year only we moved houses. And while we're moving, हमने पूरी घर की सफाई तभी करवाई थी. And Diwali was in the next 2 months. So Mama's like, bro, I'm not gonna go through the fucking pressure of cleaning the entire house
that
again.
also
But dude,
happens.
that's the fucking vibe. That's the beginning of how Diwali feels like Diwali. When your mom is
Yeah.
like scrubbing
Exactly.
the floors,
And when
dusting
your-
the fan, and
when
when
your
you're helping.
parents are like all like hurried and like, oh, do
Yeah,
this,
yeah,
do
yeah.
that, do this. And that.
That's
In
the
the back
vibe.
of your mind, you don't want to do it, but once you do it, it's fun. Because even when I was decorating my house last year, and my brother Dalen, he's not been there for the past 2 years because he's abroad. So I have to do it all alone. And even though I cribbed before decorating, I know once I'm done, I'm going to feel so good seeing the entire house decorated. And
Bro, my Diwali was too fucking sad, too fucking bad.
Oh yeah,
Because
shit,
I
I
was-
forgot you weren't there.
I was not there.
oh yeah.
It was so depressing. It was so bad. Honestly, no shade to Singapore. It's a great country, but that it's not it.
Obviously.
It's not.
Diwali in
it.
Singapore is not
It's
something people
not.
say.
Yeah, bro. Singapore is actually like a very quiet and like
A
low-key
like
country.
It's like अपने काम से
secluded
काम.
and,
अपने काम से काम. Generally,
Yeah.
you know, I see people in Singapore, they will not look up from their screens even for 2 minutes.
Wow.
Like the
Oh.
great people, bro, very friendly. They'll come to you, they'll help you with whatever you want. If you miss a bus, if you ask for directions, there are
people.
many sweet, helpful people.
Hmm.
But it's just that how in India, you know, we have like random people looking at us, random girls we see, we like, we do this, random aunties,
yeah.
we start having a conversation with. Not the same. So that day, so Diwali last year, I was in Singapore and I was like, I need to feel like I'm an Indian. I need to feel like, you know, this is Diwali. So we went, like, got ready, wore traditional outfits, and we went out for dinner to Kailash Parbat. Okay? Kailash Parbat.
Most Indian thing you could do in Singapore.
Yeah, go to Little India, have Kailash Parbat.
Oh my God,
So
okay.
we went over there and during Diwali. So then after the food, and the food fucking slaps all
Like,
the time.
I'm guessing after not having it for like a
For a
To
while.
for a
no,
chunk of
it's
time.
actually good. It's
and
actually
it's
good
also
food.
good, yeah.
Yeah, so then after I was done with the dinner, I started having a conversation with the owner. I was like, how long have you not been in India? He's like, it's been quite like 15, 16 years.
What are you saying?
Yeah. And then I was like, he was like, but I have visited. It's not like I stayed for a while. Every time I visit, I come back in like 3-4 days. So it's not like
Whoa.
you.
Doesn't feel like home.
Yeah. And then I asked him, like, do you miss home? Do you feel like going back? He's like, yeah, I do, but then I have to stay here for you guys to make you feel like you are
You
still
are-
over here. And bro, I started weeping over there.
That's so cute though.
I
I
see
started
that.
weeping,
Yeah.
and then I had full jhadi.
Hmm.
I got full jhadi from Mustafa. Mustafa is like this huge retail center in
Mhm.
Little India.
Okay.
You find all the Indian things.
Is
over
it like
there.
Crawford Market?
No, it's like Manish Market.
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, you find all
Manish
the
Market is Machi Market, no?
it's like beside a machi market. yes.
besides a Machi Market. And you will find Maggie से लेकर Iodex से लेकर सब Indian brands
बात
के
कर रही
दवाई
है?
वगैरह सब Indian. तो
Love.
फिर
Adulsa and all.
हाँ everything.
Bro, I love
Adulsa is so real.
Adulsa.
Bro,
What's
I'm
Adulsa?
addicted to Adulsa.
I
Adulsa
love
is a cough
Adulsa.
It's,
It's damn addictive.
I know.
And it's
It's not
tasty.
addic- Bro,
tasty.
you're
It's
talking
so
as if
tasty.
I've never had
you're talking as
Adulsa.
if you have a problem, babe.
No, so you remember that stretch where I had a cold?
Yeah,
Yes, like the 2 months.
Like the 3 months. So I had a cold for like,
Like
a
the
really
knot
long
right now.
time. And bro, my mom used to give me Adulsa every night, and I used to wait for it. I was like,
Raat kab aayegi?
I sound like a dog waiting for their treats.
No, you
Oh
sound,
my god!
you sound like an addict.
I do. I mean, Adulsa is a vibe. My mom used to get these big tables, which is like, come,
Sponsored by Adulsa.
like, come have your Adulsa. And I was like,
Wow.
Oh yeah, you find everything. in Mustafa.
Just taking her drugs in a spoon.
And I took like a few. I bought a few full jhadis. And I was like, मैं campus जाके full जड़ी जलाऊंगी, ये बहुत मजा आएगा वगैरह वगैरह. और फिर मैं सब full जड़ी just light करने गई. और फिर मुझे किसी ने बोला campus में मत जला, allowed नहीं है campus में. मैंने बोला ठीक है campus के बाहर जाके करते हैं, है ना? I went outside at that time. A resident comes to me and he's like, wait, you can't do that over here. It's not allowed. And you have like $5,000 Singapore dollar fine.
Yeah.
I was like, इसमें तो मेरा घर जायदाद सब कुछ चला जाएगा. ये नहीं
yeah.
कर
So then,
सकती.
where did you end
Yeah.
up doing it?
I didn't do it.
Oh no!
And I was pretty bummed about it.
मैं तो वॉशरूम में कर देती मैं.
Yeah.
Fire
क्या
alarm
क्या
बजता.
किया है? Sorry.
journal, mama. Journal किया है washroom में.
Journaling, exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why my Diwali was bad.
I can imagine.
But yeah. So yeah, ensuring that Christmas like slaps this year
Yeah.
has to be.
Dude,
a
I
thing
you know
this
I was thinking that like so there is obviously typical resolutions, right? So the kind of resolutions people used to make pehle, like maybe 10-15 years ago. And I was just thinking, bro, nobody can make those resolutions anymore. Like imagine somebody saying, oh, I'm gonna eat healthy. How the fuck are you going to do
Yeah.
that with Swiggy? How the fuck, like, no, but like genuinely, these apps and like food delivery in general, it's been like, it's made food like nasty food, not nasty, I shouldn't say nasty, but like it's going to be cheaper, faster, and tastier to eat
And
out.
so convenient.
I don't
So
remember.
much more
Yeah, I
convenient.
don't remember if we discussed this on the pod or like off camera, but earlier, like when we used to think or like crave of something, we used to wait until after my exams,
Yeah.
or like
Oh my God.
I'll wait for the weekend to then go
Yeah.
out and have it. But now you
Yeah.
think of it
And you order
and
it.
you order it, because a lot of times what happens is in the moment you either see something and you're like, oh, I'll get it. But like a few hours later, you're like, oh, I don't need it anymore.
Yeah.
We don't give ourselves that time only to process
So
it if we
we-
actually
yeah.
need it.
Yeah.
Fair.
From our brain, like it just goes to our stomach and be like, from our stomach it goes to our brain, and you're like,
Yeah.
okay,
Now I
Chahiye.
need this.
I need
Now
this. I'm
it's
gonna
fair.
get it. Here it is.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I feel like this is all way too connected. Even if you think about it, it comes from a place of you've seen it somewhere. Maybe an ad on your TV, or maybe like an ad on your bus,
True,
Yeah.
anywhere else.
They send
Then-
like a lot of notifications too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then after that, once you check it on Zomato or once you check it on Swiggy, then they keep sending you notifications like, oh, aren't you ordering the dinner that you see? We have. Then they give you special discounts because
Yeah,
you
so it's
browse
very
through
free.
it.
It's more
very free.
like specific to you. Like they know a lot. And it's kind of freaky.
Yeah.
It is. It's
It is very
very,
freaky,
very
definitely.
freaky.
Huh.
And another thing, like I want to implement this year
Mhm.
is that like I am a person with a lot of hobbies, okay, and they
Hmm.
can be generic. They can be something as simple as like baking or
It's not generic.
no, I mean these are
Dancing.
basic hobbies which a lot of people have,
Yeah.
like baking, writing, dancing,
Singing.
sport, like a whatever.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And what I've realized is now that all of our schedules are a lot more hectic and like a lot more fuller than they used to be.
Yeah.
In theory, I am like, oh, I'll do this, I'll do that, but then when it actually comes to like doing it, I either don't have the energy to do it or the mental capacity to
Fair.
accommodate that in my schedule.
Hmm.
True.
So what I want to do this year is just pick any one hobby, like anything, be it like even journaling could be one. Like I know all three of us, and I don't know if Srishti also wants to do that, but this
She's
is definitely this is definitely something that I want to make it a point to at least start doing.
Fair.
And however busy I am, at the end of the day, like even if I'm dying
Hmm.
and like just want to take like one paragraph if I have to jot down like my thoughts or something,
Hmm.
give
Carrie
it that
Bradshaw,
time. Carrie
bitch.
Bradshaw on my
Yeah.
way back home in my cab
Sex
or whatever.
and the City and Sanjana.
Sex City.
Sanjana.
Sanjana's thoughts.
We are Sanjana's thoughts. THOTS.
Yeah. But yeah, and I've also spoken to a couple of people and
Besides us?
Wow.
shit, sorry, cheating on you all. But anyway, so even they have said that, actually having something to look forward to other than your daily schedule can really bring such a change in
Right.
like your day, dude.
Yeah.
It just breaks that monotony of your daily schedule and
Yeah.
you just have something to look forward to at the end of the day where you're like, oh, I'm not thinking of work, I'm not thinking of my daily tasks. I'm just focusing on that for that. Even if it's for an hour, half an hour,
Yeah.
however long you're like giving to that activity of sorts. It just really is
Definitely.
refreshing.
Yeah.
So I do want to prioritize that for myself this year.
Another like
Resolution.
Resolution.
Wapis.
that's the first time I did that, unfortunately. But yeah, another resolution that people used to make like back in the day that I don't think is possible to make now is cut toxic people off. And I'm telling you why I think that, because okay, you can cut them off as much as you can, but like earlier, if you cut someone off, it's like they're out of your life and they only live in like your fucking Polaroid pictures
Yeah.
in your album. Now, like, it's unlikely that people like cut that string and unfollow each other on Instagram, on Facebook, or whatever
True.
like social media site you use. Like, even if you cut people off, you know that either party or both parties may be lurking. And that's a bit weird because you've not truly, like, I don't think, when was the last time you like cut someone off, like off your life? You know?
Very recently.
Same.
Actually,
Yeah.
even I did, but that was also because it was like a friend of mine that turned out to be a huge misogynist. So
Oh,
I
yeah.
blocked him.
And
I
I feel
feel
that's
like-
also possible if there's a change in the like daily environment that you all share. Because for me, there were a lot of people in college who I knew that once college ended, I'm going to cut these people
Same.
off mainly
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I'm not going to
same.
be seeing them every day.
Yeah.
So that became a lot easier. But then it becomes difficult when you're in constant touch with them.
Yeah,
and like,
yeah,
you
yeah.
have
Because
to
in
see
your
them every
mind,
day.
you're like, okay, I don't want to.
I'm tolerating you just because I have to.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know.
No,
I
but
no
for
longer
me-
align, but I think
Yeah.
unfollowing you will be drastic.
Yeah. But for me, I think it is very easy to cut people off, genuinely. Because for me, I take a lot of time. I have a lot of patience. I give people a lot of chances to fuck up, like really,
aware.
really fuck
Yeah,
up.
yeah, for sure.
And once the water gets to me, that's when I'm like cut off. And once cut off, then there's no going back.
Yeah. That's very fair.
Yeah,
And
true.
also, I feel like a lot of the times, like, I've sort of cut someone off, but they don't know it. So I'm very liberal in the belief that you are not going to piss me off on my phone. So, if someone is talking shit and they're on call, I take, like,
Yeah.
I'm like, not listening to you. You know, you can vent. I believe you need to get shit off your chest. If it's gonna get to me, I'm not listening to it. if
Fair.
your stories bug me at all, like I like certain things happen in the world where it's quite triggering for me. And then if you post like shit about it that I don't agree with, you will never know this, but I have muted a lot of people.
Yeah.
Same.
I am very liberal with my muting.
Same.
I'm very liberal with my restricting. So it's
Same.
like, like from my side, you've been cut off, but
You don't know
just
it.
don't know it.
Exactly.
I feel sometimes it's just so important to let that person know
No,
that
exactly. You should
bitch,
just
you
let
are
them know.
out of my life, and I want you
Yeah.
to know that because that'll hit them more.
For
And
me,
sometimes I wanted to hit them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
but for me, it doesn't really matter what the other person is thinking. It's my phone.
Yeah, exactly.
And you
Yeah.
cannot irritate
Control,
me
yeah.
through my phone.
Definitely.
I even do that with like
It's-
influencers. I
Yeah.
unfollow
Yeah, yeah.
easily.
I literally
It's
unfollowed
my
one today.
account.
Dude,
While
I
you were
have
sitting
this,
here.
I have
It's
this
my
tendency.
account.
I'll follow them, and if they're not posting interesting stuff, I'll unfollow them.
It's
I
no,
might go back to them, but like for the
Hmm.
time being, they're unfollowed.
genuinely, it's my account. It's my space that I've created.
Yeah.
You coming out of nowhere and irritating the fuck out of me, that is something which is in my control.
Yeah.
Not something that if this person stop behaving like this, it maybe affect me less. But why do I need to give them even a chance to do that? पहले ही cut off भाई ये मैंने बहुत कर चुका है. I have waited for people to change, tried to change them. Doesn't work
So are
like
you
that.
saying this is not going to continue? Can I quote you on that?
Yeah.
We'll see.
Dudum. Sorry, that's the Netflix.
Netflix.
How many
Dum
brand
dum.
integrations can we put in one video?
Guys, count them all.
Yeah.
I remember like earlier, I can expect, I don't remember this, but I can expect that earlier people must have been like, I want to watch less TV. A number of
We
you
already
go-
do. I
you
don't
go
watch TV anymore.
Anywhere. Yeah, exactly.
It's all
Go
on the phone.
anywhere. Like there is a screen. There is no, like like, we don't realize how little time we spend not looking at a screen.
Yeah.
Fair.
Yeah.
And that involves things beyond your laptop and your phone.
And
Yeah.
I've realized that our phone has become something that is like a habit now. Even though there's nothing, you just like look up to your phone.
Yeah.
Just
back
like
in-
randomly.
When you're awkward, you look
When
at your
you're
phone. When you're
awkward.
happy, you look at your
When
phone.
you're anxious, you look at your phone.
Dude, back in the day when we would ask people what's the one thing you would want to be, you would want to have with you if you were alone on an island,
Yeah.
they would say things like, I need my medicine, I need my book, I need my music, whatever. But now every single
Where is
person
this?
would say,
Where is this black scent coming from? I need ma. I need ma.
ma medicine.
I need ma.
Ma.
Ma. Gee, thanks. Just bought it. Sorry.
I didn't even realize it was coming off that way.
Sorry.
Anyway, they'll always say, I need my book, I need my medicine, I need cash, X, Y,
Yeah.
Z.
Yeah.
But then every single kid today is gonna say, I need my phone.
Yeah, of
It's-
course.
Yeah.
And we are those people. I'm not gonna say I don't need my phone. I do need my phone.
True.
The thing is, if I am not using my phone for like 2 or 3 hours, I feel like that's an achievement.
Wow.
2 or 3 hours.
Yeah.
I think I can achieve that if I'm in class.
Or if I'm
Aside
studying.
from class, that's the thing. If
But
you're
even
in
if I'm
class,
in class, I'm looking at a screen.
yeah, exactly. If you're in class, you are engaged into an activity. When you're doing
Hmm.
absolutely nothing and you still are not looking through your phone or doing something which involves
Like allowing yourself to be bored.
Yeah.
yeah. I
Real.
think that should be a thing too. Like
Yeah. Emma
Just,
Chamberlain
you
made
know,
a video about this.
I did. Yeah,
like
go
a
on.
few years ago,
Mhm.
where she locked up her phone in a box
Wow.
for 24 hours. She only did it for 24 hours, and she
Guts.
like she swore to not look at another screen for 24 hours, and she said the title of the video is allowing myself to get bored or something. And it was pretty good. Like she painted and everything, and of course she's fucking Emma Chamberlain. Anything she does
Is
is
interesting.
iconic.
is
It's
iconic.
interesting and iconic.
Yeah, for
so
sure.
I'm a little biased towards that, but it was very fun.
even
to
I
watch.
did something similar along
Yeah.
those lines very recently. So you guys know that my phone keeps dying all the time.
Yes.
Yeah. So this time when it
Also,
died,
your new phone also keeps dying.
yeah,
So it's you.
So proudly. Yeah.
It's because
इसमें क्या है?
she kept saying like iPhone 15 का battery कितना खराब है, and then like one of my sister's friends has an iPhone 15. I asked her, Kanya Didi, like, is it like actually like really bad? She's like, no, like
It's
I charge
really
it
not.
once a day.
It's really not that bad.
I'm fine. I do not have a charger at work. That's what she told me.
Whoa, that's huge.
Whoa.
so you guys
that's
know I
crazy.
don't charge my phone. And so my phone's battery died, and I was on campus, and I had like a good 4-5 hours to myself to like not I don't know why I didn't feel like going back to my room also to go and put it up to charge. So I was like, let me just explore right now. And I went. I like
Wanderlust.
Yeah.
yeah, I know
Adventure
sound,
awaits.
I sound very like
Touristy.
no, very fictional and very
Cinephile? What's that? Selenophile?
I
the
don't
thing with
fucking
the
know.
People who are like turned on by the moon.
नहीं
क्या मतलब?
क्या पता
I think it's
वो
Selenophile.
बहुत ऐसा ड्रामेटिक लाइक ओह मेरा फोन
Yeah.
नहीं है
Yeah,
मैं तो
we
आज
get it.
दुनिया घूमूंगी मैं तो सब करूंगी सो
Mm.
ऐसे तो मैं गेट के बाहर निकली आई टुक अ नाइस वॉक at the hot park. So hot park is like a really cool
Hot
park.
Where all the hot people go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love.
Yeah, they didn't let you in.
बाहर से ही देखा.
She went like,
We'll bully her in the cab ride home.
yeah, we will.
Yeah, I went to Hot Park. I explored and I went back to the campus. I saw like 2-3 football games of my friends. I was sitting, I was enjoying
2-3
that.
Football. So
About
they,
three.
when they kick 3 times, that's not 2-3 football games.
No,
You
like
sound like
matches.
a man mansplaining.
No, those were like matches. And after that, I went and I took one more walk around the entire campus. I had
पूरी
a lot
साल
of
में इतना
fun.
पूरी जिंदगी
And
में
then-
अपने इतना नहीं चली है ये
10,000 steps एक साल में.
भाई आई स्वेयर वहां पे जाके मेरा जो एक्टिविटी रिंग है ना रोज पूरा
वाह।
फुल बिकॉज कैब इतनी महंगी है कोई नहीं
पता तुझे तीनों को एक्टिविटी रिंग नहीं पता. तीनों को तीनों हाँ बोल रहे हैं.
Encouraging.
one brain no
Encouragement.
one brain
हाँ,
इसको पता है
हाँ.
तो होगा यार.
हाँ
झूठ
भाई,
थोड़ी
झूठ थोड़ी
बोलेगी. बोल.
नहीं यार वही मतलब
बस यार वो तो था और क्या बोलूं
1 minute, ma'am.
सोचना पड़ेगा.
But
हाँ,
yeah.
तो I think I even had like an idea. So a lot of our viewers are quite young, and you know, at times young people don't know what to like resolve for the year. So what we should give them some ideas on what their resolutions should be.
So one thing I would like to tell like girls and boys, whoever use makeup, is to wash your makeup every day before sleeping. And I know I am someone who I get very lazy to do that, where I'll just wash my face upar say with like soap and all, but like actually
The
like
gunk is in
cleansing.
there.
Yeah. I get too lazy to do it, and then like I have mascara from like 2-3 days.
bro
Couldn't be me.
Ah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
unless I'm very exhausted or I've come home really late is when I do not usually do it, but then I'll always wash my face twice before sleeping if I have makeup on or I have
Because
had.
I mean it's get very exhausting to put oil on your face and to remove your mascara for me, but yeah.
A resolution idea for you guys, if you don't have one, is 100%, and I mean this with my heart, stop watching Big Boss, please. It is so bad for you. It is so bad. Like, I've noticed, okay, I hope my parents never see this, but like they love Big Boss, right? And then like they use Big Boss verbiage when they're like having serious conversations
Like
with
what?
me.
Like what?
I don't want to say this, I'm so
You need
embarrassed.
to.
The word victim card has been used on me.
Oh,
Am I Farah Khan? Are you Farah Khan? Am I Salman Khan? What is going on? You are playing the victim card is not something that you say.
That your like 55,
And
60-year-old
even-
parent should say.
yeah
And you know, there's a time and place, but Big Boss has, and I'm so passionate about this. Big Boss has never used a sensitive term correctly.
yeah
I think
I
few
see
years ago,
it.
I think when I was in school, they used to this term was big, which was bal ka prayog. So even if
Yeah.
somebody did this,
Hmm.
that is bal ka prayog. That is like using your
Sure.
strength.
yeah
oh,
Bal ka prayog.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So then it's like,
Yeah, but that's also because Big Boss in like the show, the rules of the show do not allow even you doing
It's-
this to the person.
It's hyper.
it's too
hyper dramatic.
it's television. Yes, it's entertaining, but do not take it like in your head. It does not.
Yeah,
It's
that
not
of
at all
course is there.
real.
Of course, it's not.
Nothing about it is real.
Of course.
And
Damn.
I don't know. I'm very passionate about the
Yeah.
media that your parents consume.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trust me, I mentioned this in the
definitely.
other episode also. Your parents should only consume nice things and things that keep them sane.
Yeah.
For
I
sure,
I
have
agree.
a resolution for you guys, and this is for all the people who want to go out after your school or your college and have a good job and everything. Please start learning Excel. Start practicing Excel.
Oh, yes.
Very,
That's
very,
so
very
true.
important.
That's so true.
Start using your PowerPoint. Start
Mhm.
understanding the features of it.
And please get
Please learn more and as much as you can about AI, and
Mm.
please make it a habit. You at least do one thing, or you chat GPT one thing a day, or you speak to chat GPT about something, or you speak to AI about something, and just understand the working of it. Please,
That is
please,
so true. I feel like that's very
please
important.
start controlling these things. Please start taking a hang of these things, because I have suffered a lot in my masters in the very beginning, and I genuinely don't want others to go through that.
And you
In
feel
addition
like
to
if
that-
you knew a lot of that, it would
Yeah.
make a lot
Yeah.
of things easy.
easier, much, much, much easier. Technology is very important. Please start.
Yeah.
Taking
and
a
I
hang
feel
of
in
it.
addition to that, you really need to up your English.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes.
almost every single country on earth considers English to be a very important language. Be it you go for studies, you go for your job, you even if you go for like just to move to a certain country, English is really important. If you're good at it, great. You can always
Yeah.
improve. If you're bad at it, you need to up the game.
I'll also add like there's a lot of debate about like हमारी भारत की संस्कृति
हाँ.
and I agree. But a lot of times when people say this, they are not like very fluent in Hindi also.
Exactly.
They are talking the kind of Hindi that their
Tota-fota.
parents
Haan.
that their parents talk.
Yeah.
They haven't put an effort into learning Hindi. And they haven't put an effort into learning English.
Yeah.
However, also I will say that of course there's always scope for growth, but learning English, getting better at it, and this might be a little controversial, it really it uplifts your self-esteem.
Yeah.
It does, because
does,
when you can go
definitely.
up to someone and you can have a conversation without like thinking twice and translating in your head, right?
Exactly.
Especially to a native speaker, it really helps. Like you feel like, okay, this is what I'm one step closer to communicating with people, which is a basic human tendency.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And without it, I know AI is important, but you're not going to be talking to AI forever.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and I
yeah,
also
yeah.
feel
You
like
will have to
how
talk to
you
a human.
now again, we're not telling you all how you should view it, but how I would view it is, see, I know my worth. Even if I didn't know English, if I didn't speak English, I know what my worth is. It's not like my worth is defined, not my entire worth
Yeah.
is defined by how well I
How
speak
much
English,
I speak
but it
English.
also is dependent on how the other person views you. And you'll not
Fair.
always find people, at least for your work or for business, who will be like, oh, this person doesn't know English well, but is a nice person.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
Yeah.
some people will take you for how well you conduct business, how well you speak English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you have to get your work done, if you have to get your
And
money's
even
worth,
if you know
you
your
have to do
worth, if you're not able to translate it properly,
how are
what's
you going
the
to do
use of
things?
it?
Exactly.
Yeah.
what's the
exactly.
use of it?
And
Yeah.
we're not trying to portray like, oh,
English
oh
is the
English,
shit.
English,
Yeah, yeah.
Hindi.
But
oh.
it's the
You know,
basic necessity.
yeah.
You
Like,
need to
learn
know.
new words. Try to learn new words. You know, try to learn like 5 words in a week.
Can I
Try to
tell you
learn,
guys a life hack? It's easy to sound intelligent in English. If I'm being very honest, guys, it is very difficult to sound intelligent in
In
Hindi, because Hindi is like not the sort of language where like a lot of the basic things everyone knows around you in India,
Yeah.
especially.
Hmm.
Everyone knows the basic things. And sometimes, like if you use like a bhari word in English, people take you a little bit more
Yeah.
seriously.
Yeah.
It's
But when
sad,
you're-
but it's true.
If
English-
I've seen people in college, right,
Hmm.
that have come from like far away. So that we had this one guy in college, and he was from Jaipur, and his Hindi, my God, he could have a banger conversation. You can speak fluently in English. He'll understand.
Wow.
He'll answer in Hindi, and he will like
Wow.
he will keep his point. He will be like make it to the point. He'll make it
Hmm.
crisp, and he will not like let go of that. So if you can do it in Hindi, go right ahead.
Yeah.
Because there is absolutely nothing wrong with Hindi or any other
Any
regional
other
language,
Yeah, of course not.
right? However, English is easier.
English is a very formal language, I feel.
It's a common language, and a lot
Yeah.
of people.
There's a lot of media also to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's
And
the only reason.
one more resolution. I know, again, this is going to sound a little preachy, but start taking care of your finances.
I was about to say that.
Very, very,
Hmm.
very, 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 very important. I'm not talking about savings. I'm talking about understanding to spend which money over where.
Yeah.
How much a certain thing requires to be spent. I know it looks like I really spend a lot, or I really like buy expensive things, but the thing is that I know where
Yeah.
what I'm supposed how much I'm supposed to spend where.
Yeah, I feel
That
like
is why I have never felt the need, or I've never felt like I've gone under the budget, even at Singapore.
Over the budget.
Over the budget, yeah, sorry. Even
Mm.
at Singapore, I have seen like all my batchmates and everyone, we had this one common issue that was like budget match nahi ho raha, budget is not getting matched because we expected something else is happening. Always think 2 lines above
Yeah.
of how much ever you're going to spend, and then keep underplaying everything. I never had this problem of not being able to manage my finances. That is mostly and mainly because I have understood at a very young age how much we need to spend where.
Yeah.
And finances are very, very important. You cannot take them lightly.
You know,
And
my
I feel
dad always says this. He's like, spending money is also an art.
Yeah.
I mean, a crazy
Definitely.
person could have shit ton of money, but if he
Yeah.
doesn't know how to spend it,
Exactly.
or if he's not investing correctly, there's
Yeah.
no use
Exactly.
of having that
there,
money.
there could be
Yeah.
a person who could be earning 50,000 and blowing it up. There
Exactly.
could be someone earning
20K.
There could be someone earning 5,000 and like trying to save even like 4,000 out of it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And like,
That's smart.
and now that I've started earning, earlier I was like, okay, fine, I'll get accustomed to like how
Yeah,
I want to spend
yeah.
my money or whatever. But I feel like just understanding money, and I feel like I am also in the process of teaching myself, learning it, and I
Exactly.
don't know a lot of things. I
Yeah.
don't know
Of course not.
how to sort my finances still,
Yeah.
and I definitely am taking help of my parents, my brother, whatever. But I
Yeah.
feel like I want to be at a point in my life where I am in control of my money to the point where I know what to do with it.
Yes.
Like I just want to know what to do with my money, and I feel that doesn't solve the entire problem, but it just puts you in control of a lot of your finances.
Definitely.
Which
Yeah,
gives you a
because
lot of like
Definitely.
Making more money
independence.
will not help you be better at your
Yeah.
finances
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
if you're stupid with 500
spending
rupees,
habits.
you're going
Yeah.
to be stupid with
5 lakhs.
50,000 rupees.
Yes.
You're going to be stupid with 5 lakh rupees. It's just, if you're smart
Definitely.
enough, you can be smart with any amount.
Because what happens is that when you go abroad, especially all the international students can relate to me, you don't feel like asking your parents for money. It's because you've gone there to be independent and you feel like, oh, I'm literally doing the same thing.
Yeah.
And it's very depressing because you can't even do anything. There's so much inflation, the prices of things is very high, and you don't understand what to do. And then you end up asking your parents, or you end up borrowing from your friends, which is again, not
It's like a hit to
Yeah,
your
yeah,
ego,
yeah.
you know?
Definitely.
Yeah.
yeah.
I
and
get
I
it.
Don't
really-
fall into 100 rupees GPay kar de bhai. Don't do that.
Yeah, it's
Like that-
genuinely
when that
very
adds up, it-
depressing.
I think my resolution for you guys would be whenever you're of the age of 18, please, 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 please learn how to drive and ride.
So real.
Please, even if you do
So
not
real.
have a 4-wheeler or a 2-wheeler, just fucking learn. Take the effort, learn how to do it because you never know when you're going to need it. And
Yeah.
that's when that you learning that is going to come into handy and you're going to thank yourself for putting
Yeah.
yourself through that.
Yeah.
Please take the effort, because this one person in my building, her father had a heart attack recently,
Oh,
and it was like a very sudden
Oh yes, for an
situation.
emergency.
Fuck.
True.
And they have a manual car, and she's never driven.
fuck.
She just knows how it works because she's seen her, like her
Ha,
dad,
ha,
her
ha.
brother drive it, but she's never done it herself.
Mhm.
And in this, or uska bhai, I think he wasn't at home, or I think he was at work or something. She drove the car to, and she drove her dad to the hospital.
Which hospital they go to?
I don't know, some hospital, but like she drove the car. She's never driven a car in her life before, and she managed to do that.
Wow.
And it's really, really important for you to know how
Yeah.
to drive.
Wow.
Learn a manual first,
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
please.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Don't start with an automatic
Don't
car.
Yeah.
Do
automatic first.
learn a manual first. You need to know
And
it.
I also
Yeah.
feel like this is a very common, like, not resolution, but an advice. And I know it sounds a little preachy, but as much as everyone has said this, it's so important to remind yourself to like trust your gut in like
baby.
so many situations, about people, about places, about experiences,
About
ev-
questions when you're solving an exam also.
yeah, I mean,
When you
just
have the
wow.
option of two questions, you start with the first one and you're like, no,
you
I'll
second
go
guess
to the
yourself.
second.
Yeah.
And then
See, of course, that comes with experience. That comes
yeah.
with like,
Mhm.
you know, you learn
If you keep
from your
ignoring it,
mistakes.
it's not gonna come to you.
Yeah, but I feel like trusting your gut about something, and when
So
your
true.
gut
So
keeps
real.
reminding yourself of the same thing when you keep doubting it,
Yeah.
it's just even more of a testament for
Yeah,
you to
yeah.
believe that.
Believe that
Yeah,
for
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Speaking of gut feelings, I think another resolution for you guys, if you don't have one, do a social media purge and stick to it. So what I mean by that is go through your followers, go through your following, do a purge. Who's not needed can get out of there.
Yes.
And
So
once you like keep at it for a few months later
Hmm.
on, and like you'll genuinely feel safer on Instagram. If
Yeah.
you especially
Definitely.
if you have like a private account, which like we don't anymore, but when I did, I used to purge all the time.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
if
same,
I
same,
feel
same.
like you're
Hmm.
lurking or you're watching me,
Hmm.
even if it is like the slightest of gut feelings,
I block.
We just discussed
I
this, right?
genuinely just block.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
don't
yeah,
deserve.
definitely,
Like
definitely.
you really
Same.
don't.
If you want,
So
if you
do a
don't want
social
them
media
to see your
purge.
life, remove
That's
them.
an easy one, guys. Like that one
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
follow. It makes Instagram safer for you. It makes your Instagram experience much better because you're only like consuming the things that you want to.
Yeah.
You're not
Yeah.
hate watching or you're not lurking on other people. That's also something that I find myself doing a lot. Like people that used to be in my life that are no longer in my life, like I want to see what's up with their life. And
Hmm.
it really, like, I know it's interesting. I know you can like go up to your friends and be like,
Yeah.
guys, guess what?
Yeah.
It's not healthy.
It's not
Don't do
healthy,
it.
for
True.
sure.
It's a
I-
cycle that
It'll never stop.
It's a very like
Yeah.
fuck all cycle.
it doesn't
And,
let you get out of it.
and another thing I feel like, which I've learned in like the recent months or like the recent year,
Hmm.
is I feel you should really, really invest in your physical self.
Yeah.
Be it a workout, be it in how you present yourself on a daily basis,
Mhm.
be it you doing your hair if that makes you feel good, getting your nails done, but basically looking presentable will take you places.
Yeah.
I feel it'll make you more noticeable.
Hmm.
And now I don't mean to be like all flashy and all, but I just feel looking presentable, looking clean and presentable
Yeah.
will just get you into the eye of a lot of people
Hmm.
Yeah.
and will open a lot of doors, a lot
It
of
could be
opportunities.
a simple hack.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
have.
It's
I am.
it's a life hack, true.
Hmm.
Yeah. I can understand this to another level.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Because I have had experiences with
right?
these
Because
things.
even
Just
I
because I was wearing, some type of a rare watch, or I was wearing a good perfume,
I
it
don't-
has been
I
a
don't-
great
Exactly.
conversation starter.
It
with
could
that
be
is
as
one.
small
people.
as a whiff of your perfume.
perfume.
now I don't mean like you don't have, if you don't have the means to buy something that expensive.
Even if you do, though.
I mean, no, you of course if you do have the means, go for it.
Yeah,
but
please.
I'm giving like a more budget friendly approach.
Hmm.
Just looking clean and presentable
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is
will
all that's
make you
needed.
you.
a lot more approachable.
Yeah, what I'm trying to say is like yes, the kind of like rare collectible items will like have like important people notice you for sure. That's gonna
Yeah.
happen.
Yeah.
There's a reason why rare things are rare,
Hmm.
and it's because people who know.
Yeah.
and like, but what you mean to say is like, if today showering, like, washing your hair,
Hmm.
say, will make you feel like you're getting a little bit like like cleaner, in the sense like
Yeah.
it's going
Put
to
together, well
it's
put,
going to
yeah.
put you together.
Do it.
Like
Yeah.
it's gonna take 10 more minutes of your
I
time,
saw
and
this-
you're gonna
I saw this one
Yeah.
post on
Thank
Instagram
yourself.
that said, wait, let me think of it. I washed my hair after 4 days and now I feel like a girl again.
Yeah.
I was like, that's so true.
It's so simple, but it really like
It does something.
bro, some days now I feel like shit from the start of the day,
Hmm.
and then I keep putting off having a bath, and then when I
Yes.
finally have it, I was like, fuck, why didn't I do this?
Maja
Pehle?
aaya.
Yeah.
One last one that I have for you guys is that, like, indulge in very very cringe Instagram trends and do not feel sorry about it. You're gonna feel so much better. Do not kill the part of you that cringes.
Hmm.
Kill the
no,
part
wait.
of you.
Do
and
not
wants
kill
to
the part
cringe.
of
Part of you that.
Do not kill the part of you that cringes. Kill the part of you.
Arey, do not kill the part
अरे
of
follow
you
तो
that.
थोड़ी कर रहे हैं.
not kill the part of you that's cringeworthy. Kill the part that cringes. That's what I was gonna leave you with. Comment down below the word cringe, and also like the nail emoji if you can. And also, we would love to know down in the comment box what your resolutions are. Were you inspired by this video? Did you find one of your resolutions in
Yeah.
this video? Did you
Quite
have
possible.
some of your own? Quite possible. Yeah, we are like the best people on the internet.
Definitely.
Like, I don't think
Basic swasthani must.
Swastan must. That's what we'll call our OnlyFans.
Yeah. Basic
Swastan
swast
must.
must.
Resolution 2025.
Yeah.
OF.
Only fams.
Bro, I want to name my family group. That's so
Oh
bad.
my god. Can we? No.
No,
Much
आज
better.
Anyway,
आज
so
iconic.
much
ये
better.
But
ज़्यादा
yeah.
थोड़ा off camera करेंगे. But before you go, I really want to like have a little request. If you come here, come closer. Again, I did this last episode also. But yeah, like if you could just like go up to Spotify and follow us on Besharam, and then like give us a little 5-star rating, so I'll get you to your house.
That scared me.
This scared you?
Yeah, but also
अब
don't
तो
forget
कोई नहीं देखेगा.
to like this video, share this video. You've already commented. Don't forget to subscribe.
And follow us on Instagram and we are Besharam.
And until next time,
Stay
stay Besharam.
Bye-bye.